Hello viewer, welcome to Eddie Vlogs. This will be a very short video about the GoPro Hero 7. I will show you the unboxing. I purchased it recently, it got delivered today, uh, and it came nicely wrapped inside this sponge wrapping. So I will show you now what's inside the box. This is what came out of the packaging, the sponge wrapping, and it looks safe and sound, all good. And the date of import is also March 2021, so seems pretty good. This is it, looks pretty decent without any visible damage as such. Let's now get into the contents of the box. This is the actual unit, and let's now peep inside the box. Empty. That's all you get. That's pretty disappointing. The battery, the curve mount for mounting it on the helmet, and the cable, the data cable. That's it, USB-C type. So let's check what should be inside. This is what should be inside: the camera itself, one casing, one screw, one mount, the curve mount for the helmets, battery and charger. So that's pretty much it. That's disappointing. And so now to unmount this, what you have to do is lift this rubber cap here, then press it from both sides, either side, like this, and then push it forward, and it unmounts. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and here on the side you have the mode and power button. On the top is the shutter button. This is the screen. I'll peel off the covering sticker later on. This is the battery compartment. Here it is, and this on the side. Here is this is the housing for the input and output ports. So on the left is the HDMI button for output to your television or computer, and here on the right is the USB port, type C, for charging the battery. So that's pretty much all about it. So next we power up the GoPro. Here is the power button. Press it for a while and it comes to life. Language English. Okay. Next it says legal stuff. Agree. Next it needs the GoPro app. Install the GoPro app on your phone. To finish the setup, leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So here is the GoPro app. Open. Yep, I have GoPro. Pair my GoPro. Connect our camera. Allow. Bluetooth off. Turn it on. Searching for it. The GoPro is on all this while. Hero 7 Black, and it asks to connect and says not my camera, so I connect. Bluetooth pairing request. Okay. We found your GoPro, it says, and there it shows explore your new GoPro. Tap the button on your screen to get to know your camera. Here it is, my GoPro. Let's put it AD Vidlogs. Save new name. It says camera update available. So update camera. The update gives you general bug fixes. So now update camera. It is downloading the update patch. By the way, the GoPro has gone into sleep mode in the meanwhile while it is updating. Reconnecting to ADV logs. It's still in sleep mode. It's awake now. I just pressed the mode button. It says there was an issue connecting to ADV logs. We found your GoPro. Device to use GoPro Quik. Connect. Connection successful. And it says your Hero 7 Black is ready. So let's go. Here it is. Whatever I see on the camera, I can see on my mobile phone. See? So now it's time to figure out the different settings and set it up on the camera while working on the app here on your mobile phone. So my GoPro is now ready to get going, and I hope you like the video. If you like, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching. And if you have any comments or queries, please feel free to share in the comment section below. I will try to respond as earliest as possible.